Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Play Store apps on your Windows PC or laptop using an Android emulator. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and search for BlueStacks Download. It's one of the most popular Android emulators for PC. Click the official website, then download and install BlueStacks like you would any other software. Once installed, open BlueStacks and sign in using your Google account. This will allow you to access the Play Store just like on an Android phone. Now, click the Play Store icon, search for the app you want to install, like WhatsApp or TikTok, and click the Install button. Once installed, the app will appear on your BlueStacks home screen. You can now open and use it just like on your phone. And that's how easy it is to run Play Store apps on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. See you in the next video.